For this recipe, you're going to need 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1 egg, 2 cups of sifted all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 cup of soft shortening, 1/2 cup of milk, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 2 cups of blueberries. And for the top, you're going to need 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/3 cup of sifted all-purpose flour, and 1/4 cup of soft butter. Preheat oven to 375 and grease a flour 9-inch square baking pan set aside. In a large mixing bowl, mix together the 3/4 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of shortening, and egg thoroughly. Then stir in 1/2 cup of milk. In a separate bowl, sift together the flour, the baking powder, and salt, and then stir into the wet ingredients. Carefully stir in the blueberries, then transfer a prepared pan. I didn't use blueberries, I used blackberries. So either one. Mix together all the ingredients for the crumb mixture, then sprinkle over the top of the batter. Bake until toothpick inserted into the center of the cake comes out clean. 45 to 50 minutes. Serve warm, fresh from the oven, and enjoy. This is coffee cake I'm making. This is what it looks like when it's done. You gotta let it cool off for 30 minutes to an hour before you cut into it. This is the best home cooking. Thanks for watching. Bye. I'll leave the recipe down in the comments. Thank you all for watching. Bye.